No baby for the storm?
Nope. We still got more work to do. Watch ya.
Do you think it will be bad?
Yes.
Why?
Watch above your head. Look. Where's your hat?
Magandang araw. Kamusta ka ngayon? Naghahanda kami para sa darating ng winter storm.
Do I just leave everything in there?
Yeah.
In here?
You'll put it in there.
And here?
No, it's better to put it in the kitchen. But okay, yeah, we can put it anywhere. Okay, it's safe.
Ito yung unang beses na makakaranas ako ng ice storm dito sa US. Medyo nagpapanik buying ang mga tao ng tank, bread, and eggs just in case ma-stuck sila sa bahay.
You can't do nothing with it. Ice is ice.
Oh my.
That's ice. Looks like snow, but it's not.
Lumabas kami ngayong umaga para tignan yung resulta ng ice storm.
Look at the thing, the camera. What do you think?
Hindi naman ganun kakapal yung snow. Ang problema, dahil nga yelo siya, mahirap maglakad dahil madudulas ka. Pwede ring mag-froze yung mga kable ng kuryente kaya nag-aalala yung mga tao.
Go, Juliet. Go.
Hey, do you want to check the chicken first?
Bago mag-ice storm, minake sure namin na magiging safe yung mga alaga naming manok. Pero syempre, dapat chine-check pa rin namin sila every morning to make sure na hindi magpo-froze yung tubig nila. At kung mag-froze man, kailangan namin basagin yung yelo para naman makainom sila ng tubig.
Go, pup. Go.
Pag nagkakaroon dito ng ice storm or snowstorm, sigurado na sarado yung school, hindi rin pumapasok ng trabaho yung mga tao basta-basta kasi nahihirapan silang mag-drive. Hindi kasi dahil sa kapal ng yelo or ng snow, pero dahil nagiging madulas yung daan at delikado. Alam mo dati sa Pilipinas, kapag ka bumabagyo, nahihirapan akong makatulog kasi tumutulo yung bubong ng bahay namin. Ngayon dito sa Amerika, kapag ka nagkakaroon ng ice storm or nagiging sobrang lamig sa labas, naiisip ko yung mga homeless. Kasi paano sila pag malamig? Kahit naman may mga shelter, hindi naman lahat ng homeless makakapunta ron or magkakasya. Meron at meron pa rin na pipiliin na hindi pumunta sa shelter or wala talagang choice kundi manatili sa labas kahit sobrang lamig. Sabi ng asawa ko, kapag ka daw malamig, mas maraming nakukonsumang pagkain yung mga manok. Kaya sinisigurado namin na meron silang pagkain parati sa kanilang cage at malinis na tubig. Gumawa rin kami ng pathway para makakapaglakad sila.
You like to play in the snow? Huh?
Napalayo naman itong si Tiny. Siya yung isa naming alagang rooster. Kailangan namin siyang ibalik sa cage kasi hindi maganda sa kanyang maglakad sa snow. Baka kasi ma-froze ang kanyang mga paa.
Over that way. Over that way.
Go, Tiny. Come on. Come on. Come, baby. It's okay.
Kamusta ka kapag bumabagyo sa Pilipinas? Tumutulo rin ba yung bahay niyo? Nakakatulog ka ba kapag kumukulog or kumikidlat? Alam mo, napakaswerte ng mga taong nakatira sa bahay na hindi tumutulo yung bubong nila. Yung meron silang sapat na pagkain at yung mga basic needs nila. Magpasalamat tayo sa Diyos dahil meron tayo ng mga ganitong bagay. At sana, kahit papano, makatulong tayo sa iba na wala. Makapagbigay ng masisilungan, pagkain, o kahit jacket man lang, lalo na kapag malamig o umuulan.
For snow. Or dirty anyway. Hi, we're out here in North Carolina, around North Carolina, and it's snowing. As you can see, it's snowing and it's cold. My wife covered up so much you can barely see. So we're going to take you around. And we're going to show you around. These are hard times. Driveway. Getting out.
Pagkatapos ng isang linggo, nagkaroon naman ng snowstorm. Mas okay naman to kesa nung nakaraan. Medyo makapal yung snow ngayong linggo pero hindi siya kagaya nung nakaraan na puro yero lang. Ito yung pangalawang Sabbath na hindi kami nakapunta ng church dahil mahirap mag-drive. Kaya dito na lang kami sa bahay nanonood ng service. Snow.
Are you ready?
Yep. Hang on.
What we're gonna do, Babsy?
Snowball fight.
Okay. Be careful though. Look how thick this is. Oh!
Ready?
Mama, not in the face! Ah! Please! Ah! Not in my face! No! Ouch! Ouch! Ah!
We got. Oh, it won't stick. This snow is a dry snow.
Sleep, baby, sleep!
Together.
Woo!
At least we got snow this time instead of ice. Lay back.
No, but
Look out. You don't hurt. Lay back. Look straight out. Now stuck your head. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Don't get the hand. Don't get the hand.
ouch!
Look.
Oh my! That is so fun. Okay. That's fun.
Right through here. Look. Walk in here. Walk up there.
Wow.
Cause you'll feel it.
Yeah.
This is what every snow is made. See, look over there in the pine tree. See how it's dusted right now?
I know.
Are you okay, honey? Are you warm enough?
Yeah, but my hands are so cold.
Look, that's what I want right there. That's a side by side right there.
Let's go.
Over your feet. Why are you going this way?
I don't know. I thought it's better.
No.
Mas makapal na nga yung snow ngayong umaga. Pero napakaganda ng araw. At napakagandang tignan ng puting niebe. Tinanggal din namin yung mga snow para sa dadaanan ng mga manok. Wala na rin kasi silang masyadong pagkain at hindi kami makapag-drive para bumili. So, palalabasin na lang namin sila para makakain sila at makapag-ikot-ikot na rin.
I know what I'll do.
See?
Don't get much snow there. Right?
I did not say that.
You know?
I need to clean the back porch, okay?
Don't worry about this.
I decided I'm going to try to build a snowman.
Noong unang beses akong nakakita ng snow, yun yung nagpunta kami ng China.
And
Pero hindi ko nasubukan na gumawa ng snowman. Ngayong araw, napakaganda ng weather. Malamig pero nararamdaman mo pa rin yung init galing sa araw. Kaya napagdesisyonan namin na maglaro sa labas. Minsan, ang sarap lang maging bata ulit, no? Walang iniisip, walang problema. Parang napakabagal ng mundo.
I think this one will be good.
Might not sled this time.
Papa, there's some flies in there. Oh, there's some flies in here. What is this?
Gusto ko pa sanang maglaro sa labas. Kaso tinawag na ako ng asawa ko dahil daw baka magkasakit ako kung mag-i-stay pa ako ng matagal dito.
I'm coming.
I'm stuck.
Think you can do it?
Oh no. I'm very good at this. Yes. Hang on, we're gonna go fast up the hill.
Nung hapon, sinubukan namin na lumabas at tingnan kung makakapag-drive na kami. Kailangan kasing pumasok ni Ozzy ng trabaho bukas. Makapal pa rin yung snow, pero mukhang kakayanin namang mag-drive. Kailangan lang dahan-dahan.
Side roads.
Yung itsura ng post office dito sa amin. Dito sila nagpapadala ng sulat, nagbabayad ng bills,